Welcome guys, today I am with the JBL Xtreme speaker and I'm going to show you how you can connect it with your iPhone. So at the first you have to tap on the power button once to turn on the speaker. Right now, when this button is not blinking quickly on the blue, it means that device is not in the pairing mode. So we have to enable this mode automatically. Click once on this Bluetooth button. There it is. Right now go for your iPhone, open the Bluetooth settings. Oh, I already paired this device, so let me just forget. Let's power off and power on Bluetooth right now. And right now on the available devices, there will be our speaker. So click on it once. And as you can see right now, we are successfully connected. So that's how we can make it step by step. If you find this video helpful, just remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.